Hello, this is Nancy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the minis challenge hosted by Corie from Crafted by Corie. I'll leave her link below in the description plus the playlist. My first item is a mini tier tray. I saw Devin from Freckled Mom haul a little mini tier tray from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was so cute, so I decided to make my own. This circle here is 4 inches wide, or 3.5 inches. I'm not sure what. I got it in a pack of 6 at Walmart, and then I got my tumbling tower blocks that I cut down to 1/2 inch, and I stood them on their side. So I'm gluing them around the edge here slowly, but surely it gets on there. I use my cut-off saw from Harbor Freight to cut these, but you can use your miter shears as well to cut these. All the pieces are glued on, and I added 3 half rounds at the bottom for their feet. Now I'm dry fitting the dowel that I'm going to use to put in between the 2 tiers. And the top tier is going to be a little wood slice that I got from Hobby Lobby in a pack of, I think, 20 different sizes. And by now you should know that I like that antique wax from Waverly. So I'm painting the base all around it, inside out, and between the crevices. And I also paint the dowel, and I darken the white edge of the round because it was too light for me. The antique wax is my favorite shade of stain. You can stain this a different color. You can color it a different color. It's all up to you. Now once everything is dry, we're going to assemble it together. We're going to glue the dowel to the base, and then the little top wood round to the top of the dowel. Now we're going to make some minis for this mini tray. This one is a Christmas tree in glass jar. I lost the beginning of this footage. I hot glued one of those little mini trees from Dollar Tree. They have the gold base, and with some tweezers I plopped it down on there, and now I'm adding that fake snow that Dollar Tree sells now, and just enough to cover the gold base. And then I'm using a needle to get the flakes down to the bottom. Now I'm getting some twine and wrapping it around the top and tie a little bow, and that's it for this project. Super simple. I have a video of a mini book stack that I made with the Jenga blocks, and this one's going to be even a minier version of it. I'll link the other book stack below. And I'm using just 4 Jenga blocks and just glue them down together and wait till that dries. Now with my Ryobi sander, I'm gonna round the edges on 2 sides to make it a sort of the spine side of the book. And this is up to you if you want to do this or not. You can just leave it square. I just like the rounded edge. Now I'm using my Waverly chalk paint in white and doing a couple coats on the little book. And once I do that, I'm using the Deco Art Suede. It's a lightly textured acrylic in mauve. I just grabbed the first gray I had on my shelf and painting the pages on the inside. And then with the ink Waverly chalk paint, I'm just highlighting the edges to give it a more dimension and a shadow effect on the book. Now to decorate the little book, I'm using one of my Chocolate French Country minis. It has like, writing and some butterflies and stuff on it. You can use whatever you want there. On the side there, you can see some transfers that I'm going to use on a second book. The paste I'm using is Currant Jam from Chocolate, and it just a little goes a long way. And it doesn't take long to do this little itty bitty book. This is my favorite part, the lift and reveal. It's so quick and easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to do it. And I'm going to use the same transfer and just, without washing it, real quick and put it on the back. And just add some more paste on it. If you want any information on Chocolate, I have it in the link below. Any questions, just send me an email. Now we have one little mini book done with the Chocolate transfer. Now we're going to work on a second book using the Dollar Tree rub-ons. And you can put anything you want on the front here. You can just write it yourself or just leave it as is or make a different color book. It's all up to you. I wasn't paying attention with the words that I grabbed, and on the spine of the book it says fear. I didn't want that, so I took that off, sanded it down, repainted it, and changed the word. You'll see it at the end what I changed it to. Stay to the end to see the finished tier tray with all of the minis. And also don't forget to check the playlist out in my description box below, and also the link to Crafted by Corie. If you're liking this, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. Comment below what color would you paint your little tier tray. Until next week, be brave, be strong, and create.